Okay, welcome to the session. If you can see me and hear me, type in the comments abundance. Type in the comments abundance. If you can see me or hear me, type in the comments abundance. Awesome, awesome. So first of all, I would like to say that it's being Sunday evening, and Sunday evening, in spite of Sunday evening, and in spite of last 3 years of overload of information, many people are saying, you still people are committed to stay till this point of time. That shows your real commitment for your personal transformation. So I would like to thank each and every one of you from bottom of my heart for sticking till the end of this session. I'll make sure that you experience some real energy and you can feel the shift in the energy. Yes, awesome, awesome. So let's start with the healing session. Let's start with the healing session. Already 3 hours sitting on the chair, you might be a little bit tired. 3 hours sitting on the chair, little bit exhausted also. Yeah. So let me take you through a short healing process so that your mind and body can relax, so that you can be rejuvenated and be focused towards this session. My intention of this session is I want you to step by step be clear about one technique I'm going to share through which you can rejuvenate your entire mind. You will going to experience right now. And by the end of the session, I'm going to teach one technique through which you can erase one of your traumatic memory or decrease the intensity of pain and discomfort. So my intention of this session is you discover more of experiential part. I am specialized in sound healing. So I have some unique instruments for you to give experience. I have this crystal singing bowl. I have Tibetan singing bowls. So I will be including couple of techniques as well, where you can experience the deeper vibrations. So how many of you are excited? Type in the comment excited. Okay, I see many of you are like a complaint box. Okay, let me set the context for this session. If you keep complaining, if you keep focusing on negative stuff, if you keep saying bad stuff, you are bound to get negative stuff, bad stuff, complaining stuff in your life. It's how you accept and how you respond. Once I went to a coaching program, it was 3.5 lakh rupees. In the end of the program, I felt, oh, for this I paid 3.5 lakh. I've gone mad. Only 1 2 points are beneficial. This I could find all this. I'll say. That teacher well said one thing. Many people come to the workshops or program with an intention. Oh, I'm attending this program. I'm attending 4 days. I'm attending 3 days. And yeah, I'm attending 3 days. I'll grab every single penny, every single point and make notes. I'll transform my life. No, it's not going to happen like that. Let me tell you, it's not going to happen like that. Our teachings and trainings are it's all about taking small nuggets from this session, taking one small nugget and totally transforming the life. Out of the entire 3.5 lakh program, maybe I got 3 to 4 points, but that transformed me massively from going ground zero to multiple crores of venture. That's the point. So it's all about during this entire session, there can be one energy shift in your energy. There can be one energy shift in your thought process that will give you massive results. Okay. So, okay, let's get started with a energy healing session. So I want you all to sit in a comfortable posture. Please close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Bring the awareness towards your breath. Bring the awareness towards your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's set intention for the session. To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, fountain and sources of all energies. To my spiritual teachers, to all the spiritual teachers, all the holy gurus, holy masters, great avatars, great beings, to all the archangels, holy angels, and spiritual helpers, to my higher soul, to my own self, we humbly invoke your blessings for compassionate, purifying light, soothing, healing energies. Thank you for blessing us with light, love, and power, your healing energies, spiritual energies, oneness energies. Thank you for the divine guidance and illumination. Thank you for the abundance and prosperity. May this session help me to detoxify my entire system at the cellular level, to be from all kinds of stress and worries. May this energy that's going to transmit into my system, may clear that energy block, which is obstructing me to take my life to a very next level. At least 5-10% growth in the health, some percent growth in the finances, some growth in the relationships. Descend the awareness into the entire present moment. Visualize a gigantic universe on top of your head. Visualize a gigantic universe on top of your head and set an intention. I request the universe, dear universe, please bless us with divine purifying energies so that we can detoxify our system from deeper level to surface level. May this energy healing process clear my energy blocks, which is obstructing to manifest abundance in my life. Visualize from the universe gigantic waterfalls of golden energy waterfalls are flooding over your system. Slowly flooding over your system. You are just right below the waterfalls, the golden energy waterfalls, and let the waterfalls flood over your system. Let the golden energy waterfalls flood into your entire crown chakra and left brain and light brain. Let your entire brain be filled with golden light. All the stress and obstructing to an abundance energy be washed out and flushed out. Feel as if your entire brain transforming like a gold bulb, radiating light in all directions. Let the divine golden energies from the universe flood over your system. Enter into your entire left eye, left ear, right ear. Whatever obstructing energies are there to obstructing you to seeing from opportunities for abundance, obstructing you from energies to hear your opportunities abundance, may it cleanse and flush out. May your entire head be cleansed and purified and washed out. It's getting cleansed and purified. Let the divine golden universal abundance energies flood into your throat and neck. From your entire left hand shoulder to entire left hand. Let the golden waterfalls flood into entire right hand shoulder to entire right hand. Feel as if 100 kilos of weight has been removed from both the shoulders. You are right under the divine waterfalls of golden energy. Let the divine golden waterfalls flood over your system. Spread into your entire chest and stomach. Upper back, middle back, lower back. Entire upper body transformed into divine golden light. Let the divine golden universal vibrations spread into entire excretory organs, front and back, into entire left leg, into entire right leg. Your entire body, bottom to top, is totally immersed with the divine golden energy waterfalls flooding over your system. Like there is a glass of water and we keep filling the water. When the glass is full, the glass starts overflowing. Visualize your system as a container. Let the divine universal waterfalls flood into your system, bottom to top, and let it go into every cell of your system and flush out all the stressful energy, toxic energy, all the energy obstructive abundance made flush out and clear out and wash out right now. And as the container starts filling up, feel as if there is a bulb radiating light in all directions. Radiate your golden light from the universe through your system across this entire room. Keep radiating the light across the entire room. From every cell, whatever energy is obstructing you from abundance and prosperity, it's being flushed out, thrown out, and your light is expanding across the entire room. Keep expanding the light into the entire building. Keep expanding the light into the entire city, entire state, entire country, entire Mother Earth. Keep expanding the light as much as you can. Remember the person you love the most at your heart center. Feel the immense love towards the person. Remember all the positive and loving qualities you love about this person. Feel 10 times more deeper love than what you're feeling right now. Feel 10 times more deeper love than what you're feeling right now. Feel 10 times more deeper love than what you're feeling right now. And let the love overflow over your system. Feel the immense love. And bring the light from the entire universe back towards your heart center. And give more light and energy to the loving person you love the most. And feel the ecstasy of love overflowing your system. Bringing the awareness again back towards the present breath, back towards the present moment. And express the gratitude. Thank you, universe, for this divine healing process. Thank you, universe, for this experience of immersion, for the divine healing abundance energies. When you feel totally relaxed and refreshed, you may gently, slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Welcome back. Welcome back. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Super. Yeah. Awesome, awesome. Wonderful. Good, good, good. Nice to see. Miraculous. Awesome. Good, good. I'm happy. Rukmini saying alive. Brilliant. Rejuvenated. Rejuvenated. Let me tell you, our energy is like a pure container of treasure box. Okay. It's a pure container of treasure box. It's a pure container of treasure box. In a treasure box, you always keep things which are valuable to you. Things which are not valuable to you, you will not keep, obviously. Yes or no? Only valuable things you keep in the treasure box. So our energy, our mind is like a treasure box. If you put crap memories, if you put crap experiences, if you put crap thoughts, that kind of experiences you attract in your life. If you put all the positive divine abundance energy meditation, what you are experiencing right now, like that abundance energy you are going to attract. Madhubala is saying, I have completed pain free, my headache gone, all my stress that I was having full day is relief. You made my life. Thank you. Good, good. Now you are part of our abundance family. You are our holistic abundance family. Because you are holistic abundance family, now we will be sending you the Facebook group. You are already, some of you are already part of the Facebook group. We will be nurturing you with all this positivity dose of sessions. Would that be awesome? Me, Arun, Kartika, and Naveen are committed for your personal transformation. Do you think your 199 rupees is going to make any difference in our lives? We invested back for you to cater these services. Our pure intention is to build a community. It's to build an empire of abundance seekers, so that those who are committed for your own abundance and personal transformation in your health, finances, and relationships, in all the holistic aspects. So what you invested, we will make sure you get 100 times the value, 1,000 times of value than you ever imagine. Our pure intention is for you to become abundant. Yes. So some of you might be feeling some discomfort in the body or some pains also coming up from the body. This is because we have suppressed toxins and emotions stored at the cellular level. So what happens when the energy flows through the container? It's trying to flush out all the unwanted energy from the system, and then the purification happens. Avirya is saying, I'm crying. That's totally fine. Many people think that having tears or crying is a sign of weakness. I say no. Letting the tears off is the sign of strength. It's a sign of strength, expressing emotions. So thank you for being enthusiastic. I saw, yeah, I feel like crying, tears rolling off. Thank you. We are just getting started, guys. I didn't start my session also, actually. Okay, let me start. Let me start. We are passing away with the time. So the three secrets what you're going to learn in this session is root cause of all your financial health, financial relationship problems. What happens is whatever problems are going in our life, we are just focusing on the effect, but the root cause is existing somewhere else. Like if you are having headache, you pop a pill, means you are just treating an effect. After 2-3 hours, the headache repetition chances are there. But why is this happening? Because root cause is existing somewhere else. So we need to go to the root cause, clear it off so that the problem doesn't come again. And by the end of the session, I want you to be an expert to understand what is the best logical solution. The problem is there are many solutions available in the market. The problem is not because of lack of solutions. The problem is lack of what solution to know, what solution to implement. That's the problem. And then I'll be sharing you step-by-step formula for manifesting abundance. So this session I planned in a structured way, but I see you guys are bored with the theory. I will skip with the theory part and give you more of experience. So some points you might be missing, some secrets might not be covered. Maybe in the Facebook groups or whenever we have the future webinar, as you're already part of the family, then I will cover. So as you are already went through many gyan, I don't want you to take through my entire story in a big way. Is it okay to share my story in just 3 to 5 minutes? Is that okay? Type in the comments yes. Type in the comments yes. Thank you. So how did this all start? I'm India's leading abundance and wellness coach. I train more than 28,000 people. I'm doing spiritual practices since more than 24 years, since age of 6. My parents used to go to workshops. Then I used to practice with them. That's how I used to learn. Then I've been practicing more than 26 different healing modalities. Name it, pranic healing, Reiki, emotional freedom techniques, Psyche, energy healing, all kinds of energy healing techniques I kept on practicing. But there was one time of my life, I went to ground bottom zero. Ground bottom zero means I had lost everything, whatever I earned. I was feeling depressed. I was feeling hopeless. I was requesting God, please show me some answer, show me some guidance, how to proceed. I was so begging the universe. I felt hopeless. Then all things started falling in place. I started kept on learning and learning. Before this experience also, after this experience also, I never stopped learning. I learned from the best of the best of the best speakers. If you have seen these all speakers, these are all international coaches and trainers of Secret movie. How many of you have seen the movie Secrets? Type in the comments Secret. You can see Jack Canfield, Dr. John D. Martini, Brain Tracy, T. Harwaker. These are the best people. Then I started learning and implementing for myself. I started healing my own problem. In my entire learning journey, I invested more than 30 lakh rupees. In spite of not having money, I borrowed and invested because I was sure where I am and where I want to go. Learning was only the missing block. Though YouTube, all the online courses, content is available. But when we learn from the masters and coaches who mastered it, then it's the pure form of transformation. So then when I started implementing, my life started transforming in 6 to 8 months only. In 6 to 8 months, I said, oh, my life is transforming with these formulas. Let me make sure this formula reaches to people. Then I started sharing the formulas with 2-3 more people. Their life started transforming. Then I started sharing 50 people, 100 people. Their life also started transforming. Then I said, wow, this is the formula entire my life. I was struggling. Now I found out in a sequential way. Then I made my mission. Like me, there should be no one struggling because of lack of formulas. Like me, there should be no one struggling through for the guidance. So I made my intention and my goal that I will make this formulas reach as much as people possible through the webinar sessions, through my inner circle coaching programs, through more deeper learnings and all. So this is the intention. So May 8, 2018 was when I went to ground bottom zero. May 8, 2019, exactly 1 year, I got India's leading abundance and wellness coach by Wow Mahasa. Exact 1 year. Exact 1 year. Why I'm showing this? It's because it said, take the first step. Universe will take the rest of the steps. How many of you experienced that? How many of you experienced that? Type in the comments, I did. It's just to show when you are moving in the right direction, universe will some way align you and support you. This award me helped me to grow multifold way. I've been interviewed by 92.7 Big FM, Love You Zindagi show, night 10 p.m. every single day. If you are staying Mumbai and region around, my show plays every night 10 p.m. I keep sharing abundance techniques. I have also got honorary doctorate. Honorary doctorate means I got from American University of Global Peace. I got a doctorate award, a doctorate degree. I didn't do MBBS. I didn't do any PhD. I got this doctorate because the abundance manifestation techniques I was sharing during my coaching systems and my programs, the life was transforming. All because of the formulas I've been implementing. Some of the formulas I'm going to share with you today. And currently I run multiple ventures where we do large scale training programs, and Beyond the Mind, where we where we connected our sales, product sales to social initiatives, saying buy one this crystal bracelet and feed a child for breakfast. Like this, thousands of people are being fed every single month with our community and with our inner world practices. And I'm deeply grounded to spirituality, and I made my mission to help 10 lakh people to lead an abundant lifestyle. You all were part of this session, which is making my dream and goals and mission come into reality. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being part of this session. Wahida saying, why our 199 doesn't matter? Okay, to 199, how it doesn't matter? Because we already invested you back for the email system sending, for the Zoom, we invested 20, 30K, like that. Every single penny is already invested. It matters to cater you service. We will be nurturing for lifelong. Okay, focus here. Thank you. So let's get into the secret number one. Secret number one, root cause of all our problems. Once upon a time, there was a guy named Rakesh. He wanted to take printout of his resume. He took his laptop, connected to a printer, and took a printout of his resume. When he took a printout of his resume, he saw what did Rakesh took an ink eraser name and corrected with his. Would he get a corrected version? Would he get a corrected version? Okay, voice is breaking. Okay, now if the voice is clear, type clear. If the voice is clear, type clear. Okay. Cool. So I was saying, Rakesh corrected his printed version with an ink eraser and wrote it back on the corrected version. Now when he goes to the laptop and takes a printout again, would he get a corrected version? No, because until and unless the changes in the soft copy is not done, until and unless the changes in the laptop is not done, the changes in the printout won't happen. In spite of reading 200 pages book, in spite of attending webinars, in spite of going for online courses, the problems will still repeat until and unless the soft copy won't change. So let's relate this with our life. It said we live in 4 realms parallelly. It said we live in 4 realms parallelly: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Let's understand which is inner world and which is outer world. So physical world is inner world or outer world? It's outer world. Mental is inner world or outer world? If inner world, type in the comments IW. If outer world, type in the comments OW. Yeah, thank you. Emotional is inner world or outer world? Inner world. And spiritual is inner world or outer world? Again inner world. If you see, 3/4 of our life is inner world. Only on 1/4 is outer world. But what do people do? If you are getting job issues, you try to send multiple resumes to multiple people. but problem again repeats. If you have business issues, you tend to change business strategies or new sales strategies, but the problem comes again. If you try to resolve your relationship with communication, the problem tends to come again. Why is this happening? Because all the focus is only on the 3/4 inner world. What about the rest of the 1/4 outer world? Your outer world is print out of inner world. Your outer world is print out of inner world. What's inside, that's only reflected outside. You all are nurtured community. You all are went through these processes, and you all agree this inner world creates the outer world. So if you resonate with this, type in the comments IWOW. IWOW. Inner world, outer world. IWOW. Your inner world creates your outer world. If you are facing some kinds of health, financial, relationship problem outside world, there is some energy link missing in the inner world. As I kept on saying, our energy is like a container, and every emotion occupies some kind of space. Based on what energy we have within our system, that kind of experience we attract in our life. So when you have anger, guilt, apathy, shame, fear, all these are low vibratory emotions. But when you fill up your energy with love, compassion, peace, harmony, energy, then you fill with the high vibration emotions. So someone is asking my YouTube channel, okay, you can find me on Google, MV Priyank, you will find all the YouTube and stuff. So let's focus on this topic currently. Yeah. So it's very, very important. If you fill your energy with low vibratory emotions, you are bound to get low vibratory experiences in your life. But when you uproot the low vibratory emotions and fill up with the higher vibratory emotions, then you get high vibratory results. Okay, many of you are already part of my inner circle. Some of you might have experienced this technique, but I'm going to share this technique again for the benefit of the entire community. We are here. How many of you agree? All of us have went through some kind of traumatic experience or traumatic memory because of which we are stuck in our life. Or even if we remember that memory, we feel some pain in our life. It's pulling us down. Type in the comments, agree. Maybe childhood, some people say, so childhood, some parents said you can't become successful. That is stuck in your mind and you are not able to grow in your life. Some of your friends say, hey, you are bad looking. Till now you remember that memory and say, oh, I'm bad looking, in spite of looking good. Yeah, I agree. So how many of you would like to learn a technique to reduce the intensity of this emotion or totally even wipe out the emotion? Type in the comments me. Would you like to learn a technique to reduce the intensity or even wipe off the emotion completely? So the technique I'm going to share, you can practice later on as well. Okay, let me tell you a disclaimer. Okay, a disclaimer. My sessions are usually very illogical because these are energy concepts. Spirituality begins where the logic ends. My system, my concepts are energy based systems, so it might sound little illogical. So are you okay, in spite of the technique being illogical, you focus on results? Importance is you getting results, yes or no? Do you agree? If results are important, logic or illogical doesn't matter. Is it okay to be illogical? Yes, thank you for holding the space and providing that energy. Awesome. Good. So we'll be utilizing the sun energy and we'll be trying to erase a memory. Okay. What I want you to do right now, choose a memory. Choose a memory from your past which is little traumatic and painful. Choose a memory which is traumatic and painful. And in the scale of 1 to 10, 1 being lowest traumatic, 10 being highest traumatic. Choose one memory, and in the scale of 1 to 10, how high intensity is the trauma? Type in the comments. In the scale of 1 to 10, 1 being lowest, 10 being highest. 200. So choose a memory which pain is above 7. Yes. Archana, yours is 5. I would request you to choose a memory be above 7. Good. Thank you for sharing. Nageshwara sharing 0. Choose some memory, bro. No memory, already healed after mindful. Good, Bhavana. Nice to know. Okay. Nice to know. Good. Okay. Thank you all for choosing the memory. And let me give you a disclaimer. Again, I'm doing this a group session. So some people might experience, some people might not experience. So those who don't experience, please don't compare yourself with please don't compare yourself with others. You are unique, your body is unique, your journey is unique. So if someone are getting results and someone is not getting results, please don't see them and say, hey, my pain didn't reduce, my trauma didn't reduce, my memory didn't go, I have no change. Don't compare yourself. Chill. I'm giving you a technique. It's going to be a lifelong technique. You keep practicing the technique, you will get the technique for sure. Good. So let's get started. So I would request again, everyone, please sit in a comfortable posture. Close your eyes. Please sit in a comfortable posture. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale the relaxation. Exhale the stress. Set the intention for the session. May this session help me to reduce the trauma or pain in this memory. May this session help me to wipe out this memory from deeper level to surface level. Visualize a big gigantic TV screen in front of you. Big gigantic TV screen in front of you. Keeping your eyes closed. Visualize a big gigantic TV screen in front of you. And in this TV screen, you are able to see your entire memory. The traumatic memory which you went through. You can see that entire screen. Try to remember who all were there in that memory. Is that you or someone also there? Was it day or night? Which place you were in? What type of clothes you were wearing? What type of objects are around? What are people saying to you? What are you feeling internally? Feel that emotion exactly how you are feeling. And have the intention. I give myself permission to dissociate myself from this low vibratory energy. I give myself permission. I'm child of God. I'm child of universe. I will not allow this memory to affect my life anymore. Raise your right hand palm facing upward. Raise your right hand palm facing upward. And invoke the sun energy in your right hand. Invoke Lord Surya or sun god or just sun. Visualize in your right hand as you are holding a golden ball of sun energy. Feel it more deeper. The golden ball radiating energy in all directions of the room. Feel the heat of the golden ball in your palm. Feel the tingling sensation. Feel the itch. Feel the heat, some lightness or heaviness in your hand, the right hand, the golden sun. And request the sun, dear sun, please, please, please burn off and wipe off this memory from my entire system forever. Or at least reduce the intensity. May it burn off this memory. I give myself permission to let go of this memory. So please help me, dear sun, to wipe off this memory. Feel the response from the sun and feel the confidence filling in you that yes, I am going to be free from this memory. Now feel as if the sun you are holding is like a duster emitting golden flames. It's in your hand. The sun is like a duster emitting golden flames. And the screen is like a whiteboard. The screen in which you are seeing memory, it's like a whiteboard with memory on top of it. Now take this golden ball of golden sun and erase that screen top side to side as if you are erasing the entire memory side to side, and feel the golden flames going onto the screen and burning off the screen side to side, 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 little bit lower, little bit lower. Feel as if you're wiping off the memory from deeper level to surface level, from the root cause. Wherever you feel the memory imprint is there, Physically move your hand like a duster. Move your hand physically up, down, and feel the golden flames going from the sun and burning away the screen, burning away the screen. And it's totally burnt off and cleansed. Burn it off, cleanse it off, burn it off, cleanse it off. Top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Burn it off, burn it off, burn it off. Feel as if golden flames totally radiating from the sun and totally spreading over the screen, over the whiteboard, and burning off from deeper level to surface level entirely, entirely. On the count of three, now the golden flames will totally radiate and wipe off the memory forever. On the count of three, 1, 2, 3, feel 10 times of golden flames spread into the entire region and it totally burnt off your memory. Relax your right hand and thank the sun god. Dear sun god, thank you for wiping the memory. You may please go now and feel the energy has left from your hand. Keep your hand down, keep your eyes closed. Bring the awareness towards the present breath. Feel the lightness and the shift that you have experienced in the entire system. Be aware of your breath. Be aware of your body. Just try to remember the memory now. It should be little blurrish. It should be a little bit hard and challenging to remember. In the scale of 1 to 10, try to remember how much intensity was it before and what is the intensity right now. If the intensity has went lower, it might scale it in the scale of 1, 2, 3. And you may gently, slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Share your intensities in the comments. Share your intensities in the comments. How are you? Share before 8, 9, 10. Now 0, 1, 2, 3. How is it? Before, now 9, now 4. Now 0, 1, 2, 3. I can see the memory, but I am less bitter. Good. You are a blessing. Thank you. Wow. 1, 1, 0, 3, 5. I just forgave someone. Very good, Smita. Nothing came to my mind. Very good. Beautiful. Before 8, now 2. Wow. 0, 0. Brilliant. Thank you. Thank you for your gratitude showering in the comments. Thank you very much. Awesome. Brilliant. It was 10. Now feeling lighter. What if the intensity has increased? That's totally fine. Some suppressed emotions might be coming out and clearing. Keep practicing the session. I could forgive and forget. I never thought this memory is still there. It came since you called. Good. But I couldn't remember. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. Yes, I was crying. Good. It's good to let out tears out. Why did I feel like vomiting while erasing memory? Some of you might be feeling nausea. Some of you might be feeling pains and discomfort. Some of you feeling heat because lot of intense rewiring is happening in the brain, in your energy. So when entire energy is pushing out, some uncomfortable feeling happens. So that's fine. Something got feeling, crying feeling. If you are feeling to cry, please let your tears out. It's okay to let it off. I felt my heartbeat rise. Thank you, sir. It was miraculous. So good. Body is vibrating when holding the golden ball. Intensity decrease. Thanks to my stars, thanks myself picking up this amazing webinar. Thank you to 4 of you. Thank you. Tears rolled out of my eyes. Dr. Priyanka, I had tried this process, 3 motion pain after getting your last session. I got relieved a lot. Very good. Brilliant. So how many of you are actually glad that you made to this session? Type in the comments, I'm glad, I'm glad. Yes. As I said, it's not about entire 4 hours you receive and everything. It's all about one small shift also if you have in your life. It can change miracles. Maybe this small energy shift give you maybe 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs or 10,000 or 1 crore deal is just waiting for some energy block to clear. Maybe with this energy block, new opportunity starts coming up. Maybe with this energy block clearing up, new relationship transformation can happen. With this energy shift, new opportunity might come up. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. So just keep your windows open. Every minute you invested, it's not gone waste. It was building up the foundation, building up to entire system so that you can receive what you want in your life. Wow. Oh my God, already time is passing. Okay, I need to go fast track. Okay, thank you, thank you. Maybe I'll jump faster. We will be stay connected in the Facebook group, so I'll keep on sharing some content in that. Yeah, thank you very much for sharing your experiences. Okay, so this is one important concept. It's said like there is a guitar, and when we keep playing guitar, guitar goes out of tune, and when we retune the guitar, the melodious music comes back. Similarly, some people are promoting my YouTube channel. Arey, what's happening? Don't worry, guys. We will mail you with all our Instagram, Facebook IDs, with YouTube IDs, and we will mail you the recording of this session also. Don't worry. Hold on. Okay. Focus. I have to run faster because you guys wanted techniques. I changed my entire session, made it into content focused. So I have only 5 minutes left, but I have 1 hour session content here. So I'll just fast track. Okay, let me fast track. Let me see what's here. This is one of my most important slide. This is one of my most important slide. Okay, I will complete this slide and then complete this session, because as we already exceeded a lot of time, I want you to just go through this session. So this is one of the most important slide. As I give always important to this slide. This slide can be game changer for you. Okay. It said first we have soul, then comes our subconscious mind. Based on the information of soul and subconscious mind, our chakra or aura is developed. Based on the information of soul and subconscious mind, our body is developed. Are you able to see my slide? Type in the comments yes. Type in the comments yes. Oh my god, my Zoom is getting stuck, so sorry for that. Phew. Okay, my dear team, please respond me in the comments also. My screen is stuck. Let me explain here only. Are you able to hear me at least? Someone type in the group, my personal group. Okay, yes, you can. Soul and subconscious mind, our chakra and aura is developed. Based on the soul, subconscious mind, chakra, aura, our body is developed. How many of you are no chakra aura? If you already know, type in the comments yes. If you are new to chakra aura, type in the comments new. Good. Many of you know. Okay, some of you are new also. Let me explain this concept. This is very important concept. That's why I'm focusing on here. It said like magnet we have, and magnet has magnetic field around it, and its quality is to attract iron particles. Similarly, we have energy field around our system called aura. Based on our aura, that kind of experiences we attract in our life. So whatever solutions or whatever problems you are going through, some way or other way, you have attracted in your life, because that energy information is in your aura. Some of you might be thinking, no, I didn't attract my health issues. No, I didn't attract my financial issues. No, I didn't attract this relationship issues. But what's happening? Because knowingly, unknowingly, from childhood, we consume lot of information. We consume lot of negative news. We kept reading negative newspapers. Parents said something, we saw some fights. That kind of energy filled in our system. So that's why that kind of experience we attract in our life. So all you need to do is change the experiences. You need to change your energy, and the experience will change. Simple. Got it? So that's all the law of attraction concept. When you change your inner world, then the energy changes. Then because the energy changing, that kind of experiences you attract in your life. So this is, I'm just for your logical brain to understand, we have many technologies existing by which we can see the aura of a person. This is with a technology called biofield reader. With the abundance manifestation formula, before the implementation, the energy was like this. You can see darkish, orangish shades, stressful energies. And after the healing and abundance manifestation techniques, after that, the change happened. So whatever law of attraction techniques you do, whatever meditation you do, whatever healing you do, some kind of energy changes will happen, even if it's not visible. So let's understand at physical body level, if you have any problems, what are the solutions? If a person has a kidney stone, when the person goes to the doctor, what does the doctor suggest? Doctor suggests operation. Doctor's surgery, does the surgery, removes the kidney stone, stitches and send back. How many of you have observed, but in spite of kidney stone being operated, after 2-3 years, the kidney stone chances of repeating is there? In spite of your financial problems solved, chances of repetition is there. In spite of relationship problems solved, repetition chances are there. Why is this happening? Because the focus is only on the 1/4 outer world, but you need to focus on 3/4 inner world as well. Yeah, that's why the problem is repeating. Yeah. So that's why we are just focusing on the effect. That's why the problem is repeating. We need to focus on the root cause. That's so that the problem gets cleared. So let's understand further. So if there is a problem existing in the chakra aura, you all guys are experts. You all are many healers and meditators. To heal at the chakra aura level, what are the possible solutions available? Can you please comment? So to heal chakra aura, we have Reiki, pranic healing, chakra healing, energy healing, meditation, all the time, all the aspects. We have many modalities. I learned all the possible modalities. I learned Reiki myself and trained thousands of people. I learned pranic healing till Aratic yoga. I have respect to each and every one of the system. But what's happening? These systems are mainly focused on chakra and aura level. To bring the shift in the subconscious, if the problem is still existing in the subconscious and soul level, chances of repetition is there. So that's why this are also cannot say as a permanent cure. So if we have the problems at the subconscious level, what are the possible solutions? Yeah, Shikha is saying EFT, emotional freedom technique, neuro-linguistic programming, hypnotherapy, law of attraction, subconscious reprogramming, visualization, intention. All these, like, there are many combination of energies, combination of processes through which we can do. But still, through this itself, people miraculously heal cancer. Through this itself, people have transformed their energy totally. It manifested. You guys are already Kartika students and Abundance Arun students. A lot of you have manifested houses, all those things, all those combination. So, but again, if there is imprints left in the soul level, if there is imprints left at the soul level, chances of repetition is there. So that's why we need to focus on the soul level as well. We need to focus on soul level as well, so that the imprints can be cleared, like with the soul meditation, mantra chanting, akashic records healing, all those combinations. We can heal at the soul, subconscious mind, chakra, aura, and body level, at all levels, so that we can address the deeper levels to get holistic, abundant results. So whenever you get problems in your life, focus in on all these levels. How many of you agree? If you have seen this like 2-3 years back, your life would have been different. Type in the comments, I agree. Type in the comments, I agree. Yes. Wow. Thank you very much, guys. So because of time limitations, I have to end my session at this point of time. I'll make sure I keep adding value in the community, Facebook community you are going to join, and you keep learning more. And I hope you enjoyed this session and got some value of it. See, it's not what you cannot do with what you don't have. It's what you can do with what you have. So I will keep on sharing you more techniques and tips and techniques in the Facebook group. We will mail you with the recording. Yes. Yes, thank you. Awesome, awesome. So how many of you enjoyed this session? Type in the comments, enjoyed. Type in the comments, enjoyed. So my request is, please go to the Facebook group. Please go to the social media, Facebook, Twitter. Please share your experience. See, already a lot of negative information is there in the world. What best you can do is spread some positivity, spread how where you're feeling. Seeing your experience, maybe one other person might smile. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys, for being part of this session. And now I would like to invite back our host, Kartika Nair. Kartika, please come back.